Hello everyone, today I want to show you some new jewelry accessories. Crystal Pandora Sparks. Why is it called Pandora Sparks? Because it can bring you different creative surprises. These charms are made of 925 sterling silver. Look at the design of it. It completely wraps the crystal cabochon, and the position of the silver holder, which has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to use this charm to design a bracelet, you can thread it like this or this. In addition, around the 4 holes, there are long hollow strips. Guess what it is for? Yes, they are for making pendant necklaces. Each Pandora Sparks is made with very rare crystal cabochon. One and only in the world. Like this one, it's natural pink rabbit hair, one of the rutilated quartz types. And this one is orange pink rabbit hair. It shines. Very beautiful. And then this one is assorted colored rabbit hair. See some yellow, and then a little bit white, and then pink. And this one, blue needle clear quartz, which we call the angel feathers. And the last one, anhydrous crystal. It's really pretty and cute. Are they all special? It's gonna be so unique if you make jewelry with them. Either sell it or give it as a gift.